Welcome to Amendment 5. Hold on to your wallet. Commercial says, X the tax, which sounds amazing until you realize it's less X the tax and more press shuffle on who pays it. Here's the deal. They want to get rid of the income tax. That's great. Love that for us. But there's a tiny catch. They still need the money, so instead of taxing what you earn, they'll tax what you buy. Congratulations, you didn't escape taxes, you just unlocked taxes retail edition. Now, the ad says, don't worry, we'll tax corporations, big, scary data centers. Uh, yes, because when corporations get taxed, they just famously whisper, well, guess we'll just eat the cost. They never pass it on. They never raise prices. They never adjust anything. Just pure corporate charity. It's beautiful, really. Meanwhile, the actual amendment says, let's give lawmakers 5 years to figure it out, which means maybe they tax more goods. Maybe they tax more services. Maybe they raise rates. Details? Oh, those will come after you vote. They also make it easier to do all this without asking you again, because nothing builds trust like skipping the part where you get consulted. And what about that property tax cut they promised? Yeah, even a court said, stop, that's misleading. And the ed said, noted, we'll just say it a little louder and ignore it. Opponents yell, everything tax. Is it literally everything? No. Is it a whole lot more decided later? Oh, yeah. So this isn't about do you like income tax? Of course you don't. This is about do you want to rewrite the Constitution, hand politicians more flexibility, and just hope they tax you in a way you like later? Because X the tax? Yeah. It doesn't disappear, it just follows you to the checkout line. This is Pat's Answers, where slogans go to get translated.